Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Cooper. And today, for our everyday math lesson, we're going to be talking about polygons. And so on the screen, you will see that there is a definition of what a polygon is. A polygon is a figure or shape that has three or more straight sides. And so that's what we're going to be looking for. It has to have at least three or more sides that are straight. So here are some examples of some polygons. Triangles, which obviously would have three sides. Squares, which I'll let you think about that for a minute. How many sides a square would have? 4. Rectangles, right? All made up of straight lines. Parallelograms are also made up of straight lines. Trapezoids, pentagons, and if you're not sure, the word penta at the beginning of pentagons means 5. So a pentagon is a 5-sided figure. And octagons, octa is at the beginning of octagon, and it's like octopus. That means it has 8 sides, like an octopus has 8 legs. So here are some shapes that are made up of only straight lines and are several of the shapes that they talked about. So as you can see, here's the triangle. It has 3 sides that are all straight. It is considered a polygon. Here's our octagon that we talked about, right? Here's our trapezoid, our parallelogram. And then our trapezoid is right here. Triangle. This would be considered a rectangle because these 2 sides are a little bit longer than the top and bottom. So those are some of our polygon shapes. Not polygons. So these are just a few examples of shapes that are not polygons. Circles, hearts, and semicircles. And semicircles means part of a circle. I want you to think about why a circle, a heart, and a semicircle would not be a polygon. Hopefully you thought right away that a circle, does it have straight sides? No, it has curved sides, right? So that's the biggest thing to look at. So here are some shapes that are not polygons, and that is because they have a curved side, right? Or several curved sides. So you can see from the picture, all of these shapes have at least 1 or 2 curves in them. Polygons are also made up of angles. An angle is where 2 lines meet to form a corner. So they give us a great example. Here's a polygon, which is a triangle. It says this triangle is made up of 3 angles. So again, it has 3 straight sides, 1, 2, 3. It also has 3 angles. They just told us that an angle is where 2 lines meet in the corner. So this line meets with this line. Here's an angle up here. There's another angle down here. And this angle right here, because it makes a perfect square almost like you're sitting in a chair, it's called a right angle. And then the last one talks about that these polygons also have right angles. And again, a right angle is where there are 2 straight lines and they meet in the corner and they basically make a square. So that's called a 90-degree angle or a right angle. So that's just a little bit about polygons. Your assignment today is going to be below this video. It's going to be to practice a little bit with polygons. And remember, if you have any questions, I will be available on Zoom all day. All you have to do is click the Zoom link anytime during the day, and it will notify me that you're there, and I will let you in and we can talk.